So before we get into today's video, yesterday I got my camera and I was messing around with it, recording my girlfriend throwing the frisbee with our dog. I caught something really funny. I'm gonna share that with you right now, so y'all enjoy.
Sit. Sit. Good girl. Come here. Good girl. Drop it. Sit. Sit. So good. Good girl. Drop it. Oh. Oh my God. Crazy. Oh. Come on. No! Oh! That's never happened before. She's gonna have a bath now.
Yo, what is up? This is vlog day 1. Right here at the gym. About to go hit some deadlifts. Fuck up that lower back. I'm about to go in there, stretch, do a little bit of recording, and then afterwards I'll show you guys the aftermath. Let me just destroy my body. Alright. Alright, that is going to wrap up vlog day 1. Hit the gym pretty hard today, pretty sweaty. Bicep pump feels amazing. Lower back could be better, honestly. But as I post more and everything like that, quality of the videos are gonna go up. The sound is gonna go up. I know it's gonna be pretty bad right now until I get a mic that is in the works. So soon, it'll be better. Just for you guys, it'll be amazing. Alright, see you in vlog 2. I'll try to post